Hey, listen for a second.
Yes, what is it?
I'm taking the kids with me today.
Really? Why?
It's time they learned a little farming. I'll have them dig the field.
That's a great idea. Alright, take them.
Hey kids, come here.
Yes, Grandpa.
Go bring the hose. We're heading to the field.
Okay, we'll get them right away.
All right, start digging the field.
Okay, Grandpa. Hey, what are you doing? Stop laughing. Oh, really? Take this. Oh, no.
Ouch! That hurts. I told you to work, and instead you're fighting?
Run! Run!
Just wait.
Grandpa's
I'll
coming!
teach you two a
Hurry!
lesson.
Thanks, buddy. I really appreciate the help you gave me the other day.
Don't mention it. That's what friends are for.
You're the best. So, what were you doing yesterday?
I was watching this YouTube channel called Dong Creator. They make really fun videos.
Really? I'll definitely check it out. Who's calling? Hello, Grandpa.
Hulk, can you bring your tractor and cultivator? I need this field plowed.
Of course, I'm on my way. All right, buddy, I've got to go now.
Okay, see you.
Grandpa, which field should I plow?
This one, right here.
Done. Come on, Grandpa. I'll drop you home.
All right, let's go. Thank you so much, Hulk.
You're welcome, Grandpa. Anytime.
Here we go! Mini World!